Okay, so we like to recommend a rain barrel when we have the opportunity. It's always a hard to reach location or a difficult spot like the stairs or a walkway where you just can't help but to put a drain. Now usually when you drain, water drains, you find yourself in a position of ice. This will handle what will create up to 40 gallons of ice. It also comes with the opportunity, as it catches the water, you can attach a garden hose, recycle the water, water your plants, your gardens, whatever it is. There's no reason to waste the water.